How to promote adult dating offers for affiliate CPA marketing. So how do you promote adult CPA marketing offers for adult affiliate marketing? It's very simple. All you have to do is you pick a top offer, or you ask an affiliate manager, you're like, what's the top offer right now that's crushing it, and what would you recommend how to promote it? And there's a lot of ways to promote. There's actually endless ways you could freaking go about promoting, because there's endless sites, there's endless influencers you could pay to shout out to promote your link, for example. There's endless places to buy advertising. So there's endless routes you can go to basically promote adult offers. But at the end of the day, you just pick an adult offer or a whole list of offers to promote. And then you just start promoting it with whatever way you choose. And I think one of the best ways for a beginner, and most people think they may be advanced or knowledgeable enough, but most people cannot do paid marketing, and I'm not going to suggest it. It's at your own risk if you do adult marketing, for sure. It's at your own risk. And so don't risk it for the biscuit, basically, because it is risky. You have to be super experienced like me in order to do it. And nowadays, in some ways, it can be somewhat harder for people to see success nowadays, because as more attention is on adult marketing, how cheap it is, and the big opportunity here, it can go up in ad cost, which just means you need to be able to spend the most to acquire sales and conversions. And so paid on marketing isn't the best route that I'd recommend at this point, unless you're really smart with marketing and you get it and you understand how to cash flow fast, how to scale fast. That's how you crush it. But what I recommend is do free traffic methods, make content or reproduce content that's really, really viral that you can reproduce that would be relevant to the adult offers you're promoting, without being too risky or edgy where you can get flagged or banned. Okay, so you want to blur stuff out if necessary. You don't want to push it to the limit where you just lose your whole account or whatever you're doing. And I really recommend YouTube and TikTok if you want to just pick two sites to promote on, or just double down on YouTube and just focus on that one, or just do TikTok. But at the end of the day, there's a lot of traffic there, and you could just make a lot of content with the goal of going viral, and you're gonna crush it. You're going to get attention and views way easy. It's going to be super easy for you when you do this, because sex sells in adult content. It gets attention, bro. So that's the best way to do it. You can promote anything you want. You don't just have to promote adult offers. But the thing is, the adult industry, it just grabs attention more in the human brain. It just grabs more attention, which attention equals money. Okay.